namaste, welcome to Greeters. So how are you? I hope you are having a lovely day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. In the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay. So today's pick a card reading is about Lion Gates portal that is happening on 8th of August. So, and we have a new moon also, new moon in Leo. So let's see what are the messages for you guys, what you need to know about that. Okay, so that is going to be the reading for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless ones, so whenever you watch this reading might have a message for you. Okay, so we have 3 groups over here. I have kept 3 cards and I have kept 3 crystals. So relax, let go of all the worries, and then select a pile or a crystal that calls to you. Okay, so for group number 1, this is the crystal. We have the selenite. For group number 2, we have rose quartz. And for group number 3, it's the amethyst crystal. So close your eyes, relax, let go of all the worries, and then select a pile or a crystal that calls to you intuitively. The timestamps will be in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to start with group number 1, guys. Say group number 1, if you choose the selenite crystal, let's see what is your message for this Lion Gates. So what I feel like, with this raven spirit, you're getting a lot of intuitive messages from divine, and I feel like your talents, you are very talented people, and you're going to recognize your own powers, right? Sometimes in life we don't recognize ourselves, we don't understand that we are powerful. So what I feel like, you are going to become more courageous, more confident. That is what is activating for you guys. So with this Lion Gates portal, I feel like you are becoming your true self, you're becoming authentic to yourself, you're becoming more honest, you're going to do the things that you always wanted to do. You're not going to listen to other people. You will have the courage to follow your heart. That is what I feel, and in that thing you will be very, very protected. Okay, so trust your heart, trust your soul, go with the flow. Okay, that is what I feel like. And the first card you have is the strength card. You're understanding that you're not the sheep, you're the lion, right? Maybe you were conditioned to be the sheep, like our society does that, right? They tell us that we have to follow that path only, we have to go to that 9 to 5 job, we can become doctors or engineers only. No, you are understanding that you are here for a different thing. You have certain gifts and abilities that is not, sometimes we have that. Maybe you're very creative people, maybe you like to do music, or your parents told no music, you have to do that only. Sometimes that happens because of a society. We are like, we have to do this 9 to 5 job or whatever it is, government job. But you are understanding your own power, you're understanding your own gifts, you're understanding your own talents, right? You're understanding that you're the lion, you're not the sheep anymore. So you're getting out of the crowd and you're ready to move alone. Okay, you're ready to move alone. That is the thing, that is what is activating in you. You're becoming more courageous, more confident, right? Interesting. You have got the 8 number, like strength. You're becoming more courageous, confident, and we are talking about Lion's Gate, and you got the strength card. So you're becoming more courageous, more confident, and trust me, you can walk alone. You're going to become so, you will be independent. That is what I feel. You can do things independently. You don't want anyone else to do things, you don't want that. I'm not talking about support and all. Everyone needs support in their life, but you can, if you want to achieve something, you can achieve, because spirit has your back. Okay, spirit is guiding you. So it's time to listen to your soul. Sometimes you might feel a fear. You will have that fear because you're going to do something very different than others, right? So go for it, because you're the leader, you have the power. Look at the infinity symbol, right? You are going to have so many infinite possibilities. Okay, so this is a very specific message. Maybe for some of you want to get a tattoo like this. So if you want to do it, just go for it. Okay, so yeah. Oh, we have 10 of Pentacles. Oh my God. With this, what I feel like is your finances. There is going to be an increase in your finances. You're going to do something completely by yourself. Like for example, if you want to start a business, you will start and that business might grow. Like the finances, you will be able to support your family also. Okay. So maybe, I feel for some of you, your family might not support you. Maybe if your family is not supporting you right now, that is not going to be the case in the future. They will support you, they will help you with what you want. Okay, so sometimes maybe your dreams are a bit different from others, so maybe your family might be hesitant at first, but they will follow along. They will support you, they will be there with you. There is going to be family support. And for some of you, you might be getting married to a person who will support your career. There will be an understanding. So like a good family life, financially you will be very secured. That is also what I feel with the Strength card. Your confidence, your courage will take you to a good path. Something what I was trying to say is like you're going good. So keep on moving forward. Don't lose your courage. Don't lose your courage. Keep on moving forward. You're very courageous people. Yeah, with the 7 of Wands, I see that you're fighting, like you're like feeling like there are so many enemies. Oh my God, my parents don't understand me. No one understands me. I have to do everything by yourself. You're defending yourself right now, but you have the courage. So you're not alone because Spirit has your back. You have the courage. You can do it. So maybe for some of you, you want to do something by yourself, like self-employment, or doing something by your working from home, or maybe creating something by yourself. If you're planning to do it, keep on moving forward with that, because you will go way ahead. You will have everything you will need to, because with this 10 of Pentacles, that is what I feel like. For some of you, you're marrying a person who is very, very beautiful inside and out. Okay, that is also something I feel like. So yeah, you're connected to Spirit. You're becoming more courageous. You're becoming more confident. You're understanding your own gifts. You're understanding your own talent. You're being authentic to yourself. You're fighting for your own rights. And don't give up, because you will reach there. You will reach your destination. And we have 10 of Earth again. Okay, look at it. Yes, there's going to be so much of rewards. If you have planted a tree, that is going to grow, and it will give you so many fruits, right? So that is what I feel. There's going to be a lot of rewards for you guys. Your hard work is paying off. Be confident, be courageous. You're going to create a legacy. Maybe for some of you, you will have that, you're going to create a legacy, like money wise, financially you will be very good. You will be very stable. Okay, and family wise also, there's going to be a lot of happiness for you guys. Yeah, Death, complete transformation, end of a person who was not so confident, who was afraid to listen to their heart. Now you are a person who will listen to their heart and move forward courageously. You're not going to listen to anyone, because you are going to be like so connected with the Spirit, and you're like, yes, I have the power, and if I want something, I will achieve it. That kind of attitude, I'm seeing you will have a good, like that kind of attitude. Okay. Yeah, King of Wands energy. For some of you, I feel like you're going to meet a person who is going to help you with your career, with your finances. They will give you good guidance. That is also something I feel like. Okay, how to invest your money, they will tell you about it. Investment, something like that. If you're planning to invest on something, just I feel like do a research, and there is guidance also for you guys. This person, maybe a high fire sign, might help you. Maybe this maybe your partner, or maybe your parents might help you with this. Maybe your father will help you with this. That is also something I feel like. So if you're feeling unsupported right now, there is a lot of support coming your way. Yeah, maybe for some of you, you're feeling like you're doing everything by yourself. Ask for help, because there is support available for you guys. Okay. Yeah, move beyond ancestral patterns. You are cutting the codes. Maybe there was a limited belief in your family that we cannot have that much money. Maybe because of your ancestors, that pattern, you're cutting that pattern. You're doing something completely different. You are the one who is going to do something entirely different in your family, and that is going to be very, very successful. So you're the one cutting that pattern, because your family members thought that, oh no, we will never have that much money, or we will not have that much good, sometimes our family teaches us that thing because of our patterns, and you are the one who is breaking that. You are doing something completely different. You're the first one, I feel like. Okay, so yeah, and your ancestors are also supporting you. Yeah, see beyond your current situation. Yeah, maybe right now you're in the Seven of Wands energy where you're feeling like that, oh, I have to do it by myself. Are my dreams very big? Will I able to achieve my dreams? Am I talented? Maybe if some of you are questioning that, don't question yourself, because sometimes there will be times when our courage will be tested, right? Sometimes our courage, our strength will be tested by our spirit guide. So don't worry, keep on moving forward. Trust your heart, trust your soul. There is guidance coming for you guys. There is support coming for you guys. Your messages, you're not going to receive a lot of messages from spirit. So be strong. Confidence is your key to success. Be confident, believe in yourself, and you can create whatever you want to create in your life. And you're the ones who is going to do something completely different. And you know what, I'm getting like you are going to shine, and because of you, your family's name will be like, people will be like, oh my god, your child is like so successful, like they will be talking good about you. That kind of energy, like I'm getting this Hindi naam roshan karna ghar ka, that kind of energy I'm getting here for you guys. Because of you, your parents will be very proud. Right now, if it's not the case, that is going to happen. And that is what I feel. Yeah, money, you're going to find a way to abundance. And look, we have 10 of Pentacles 2 times. Yeah, you're going to find your talents and your gifts. You will be able to make that money through your talents and gifts. So if you have a dream, if you have a talent, if you want to do something right now, this is the time. Go for it. Do it. Yeah, things are transforming for you guys. For some of you, you might quit a job and do something entirely different, and that will take off. So go for it, guys. Yeah, empathy. I'm open to seeing both sides of a situation. With this card, what I feel like, sometimes, yeah, there will be cases, there will be times when your parents might not understand you, when your friends might not understand your dreams. So be empathetic to yourself and to them also, because they don't have an understanding that you have, right? You don't know, they don't know how talented you are. Maybe they don't recognize you. You are recognizing yourself right now, but they don't recognize you. They don't know, right? It's just that they don't know. So be empathetic. If they're not understanding, don't try to prove yourself to anyone. Okay? Yeah, understand that they're not ready to know. They're not. Sometimes it's okay to leave that. You don't have to prove yourself. That's what I'm trying to say. But with this portal, I feel like you're going to become more courageous, more confident, and trust me, guys, if you have a dream, if you feel like your dreams are too big, believe in your dreams, because that will manifest for you guys. You have a long way to go, guys, but spirit has your back. You're here to do something entirely different. You're transforming, you're shedding the old skin, you're becoming a new you, and you're going to find a way that will give you a lot of abundance, a lot of financial growth. Okay, so you're here to do something that makes you happy. You're not going to do something that makes other people happy. You're here to do something that makes you happy. So do that, okay? And that thing will give you a lot of success in your life, okay? So yeah, trust your messages, trust your inner guidance, okay? That's all I have for group number 1. Bye-bye, take care. Number 2, if you chose this rose quartz, I'm hearing the wait is over, okay? The wait is over. That is what I feel like. So if you have been waiting for something, waiting for some confirmation, you're going to get that confirmation, and you will be able to move forward. Maybe for some of you, you are waiting whether this person likes you or not, and you will get the answer, and because of it, you will be able to move forward with your life. There is truth coming out, okay? So this is the time not to over stress, okay? This is the time to do things that you love. It's the time to practice some self-care also. You're very clever people, remember that, and don't repeat your past mistakes, okay? And we have Coyote. Don't take things too seriously. Make time to play. Great wisdom. comes from laughing at your own folly. Look out for the traps and tricks of life and learn from them. Okay, so yeah, so don't repeat the same mistakes. I'm sure you will not do that. Learn from it. And yes, in life there will be ups and downs, and sometimes it's okay to laugh at your own mistakes and just don't repeat them, right? And enjoy life. Go out, have fun. If you want to call your friend, call them, have some fun. That is very important for you guys. Okay, so yeah, the wait is over now. You don't have to wait for something. That is over and you will be able to move forward. Yeah, we have the Hanged Man. Yes, you have been feeling stuck. What I feel like, you're going to be out of that situation. Maybe for some of you, you want to travel to a certain place, but you're not able to travel. So the wait is over. You will be able to travel. That is something I feel with this. And for maybe some of you, you are like, whether I should get out of this relationship or not, whether I should get out of this job or not. Finally, you're getting a perspective. Finally, you're getting your answers. Finally, the truth is coming out, and you're like, yes, I know my answer now, and I'm going to get out of this thing. Maybe for some of you, it's you're confirming that this person is not for me and you're out of this thing. Maybe for some of you, you're understanding, yeah, this is the one I want to spend my life with, and you're going to move forward with it. So yeah, if you have been in this stuck period, you're going to be out of that period. For some of you, there is like a lot of spiritual growth also, something I feel like. So it's important to surrender to the divine. At the right time, you will know it. Okay, trust your intuition also, right? Then we have, yeah, things are going to move forward. Yeah, with this Wheel of Fortune, finally your luck, you have been feeling that you're becoming very unlucky, or maybe sometimes you feel like that wheel is down, you're not getting that, yeah, things are not moving the way we want. Finally the hard times are over. Yeah, the wheel is turning in your favor. That is something I feel like. You're getting out of this stuck feeling. Yeah, you're moving forward. You're moving forward. Okay, look, we have 7 of Pentacles, and I was telling you about the wait is over. Yeah, the wait is over. Your hard work is paying off. So if you have invested your time for your passion or something, and things are not moving forward, you're feeling like, oh, I have been doing this, I have been planting the seeds, I have been doing my work, but nothing is coming out. But finally things are going to move forward for you guys. If you're feeling stuck, just surrender to the divine right now, because you're going to move forward. Okay, the things are changing for you guys. But just enjoy life. Enjoyment is important. Joy is important. When we stress, the stress manifests. So it's important you change your energy there. Don't take life too seriously. That is something I feel for you guys. And work with your heart center. I feel like you need to. For some of you need to laugh. For some of you, it's important to show your emotions, like crying, like laughing, expressing yourself. If you're feeling angry, just screaming, like just release all that things that is holding you back. Like maybe for some of you, it's important to do a releasing ritual during this new moon. Or I'm getting you need to release a lot of stress. Let go of the stress. And with this new moon, be ready to receive, right? So when in this new moon, just plant new seeds. At the same time, release the things that is holding you back. I don't know, I feel like you need to take your journal and write the things that is not serving for your highest good, and release it. Okay, burn it. And then, yeah, you need to release the things that is not helping you in any way. Something that you need to do right now, I feel like. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, Ace of Water, new beginnings, new feelings. Jump into new feelings. Yeah, new getting out of this stuck period. Things are moving, a new beginning is happening, new people are coming into your life. That is also something I feel like. New people, for some of you it can be a new person who is coming into your life, new emotions, feeling new, yeah, maybe for some of you, your hard work is paying off and you're feeling very good about it. So yeah. Oh, we have 2 of Cups. We have Ace of Water and Ace of Cups and 2 of Cups. So yeah, maybe for some of you, you will meet a new person and this relationship might move forward. That is also something, meeting your soulmate. Maybe for some of you, meeting a new friend, and this relationship will move forward. You will be sharing your feelings with this person. For some of you, I told you, if you're feeling stuck, if you're not able to travel, you will be traveling. Okay, so going to a new place, meeting people. Maybe you're away from your family and you've been waiting for that. Finally you will be able to go and meet your family, right? Maybe you're away from your spouse and you have been waiting, you have been feeling stuck, but finally the wait is over and you're meeting your spouse and you're having a good time, enjoying lovely time. For some of you, I even see that you have been waiting to conceive. That is also quite possible. That is also happening. I feel like it's all about love for you guys. Like if you like, yes, the thing that you most love is coming into your life. Okay, for some of you, if you're single, you want a person, you're waiting for that is happening. For some of you, it's your career, you want improvement there, that is happening. So there is slight improvement. If you're stuck somewhere, the things are improving for you guys. Okay, yeah, face your fears, release. I was telling you about releasing something. So your fears are stopping you from this new thing. So release the fear, let go of the fear, face your fear. Sometimes we need to face our fears, right? Don't be afraid of speaking your truth. Speak your truth. If you want to say something to someone, go ahead and say that. If you want help, speak out, like, I want help me. Tell that truth. Don't keep it to yourself. Release the emotions. If you feel like crying, cry. Don't be afraid to do so. That is something you need to work on. I told you before. Yeah, stay rooted and grounded. I feel like Archangel Raphael is working with you, because with this green color, and I was telling you about heart chakra, right? So yeah, it's important to connect with your heart center, do heart guided meditations that will help you. If it's possible, connect with nature, spend some quality time with nature. Whenever you feel stressed, do that. Like, listen to good music, enjoy, dance, and surrender to the divine. Okay, surrender to the divine. When you surrender, that is when the magic happens. Okay, but definitely you are going to get out of this situation that is not helpful, where you're feeling stuck. You're out here. Okay, just take few deep breaths, do breathing exercise, do meditation. That will help you right now. Okay, yeah, grief. I understand that losing something is an opportunity to appreciate it. Yeah, so maybe for some of you, you have gone through a situation where you lost something, and because of it, maybe you're feeling like, sometimes because of our failures, we feel stuck. Maybe a relationship didn't work, maybe a job didn't work, and you're like, why this happened? So you need to let it go. So when we let go of the old, that is when we can receive the new, right? So let go of the old and learn from that. Learn the lesson from that, and just don't repeat the mistake and move forward. Okay, because I feel like the doors are opening for you guys. So don't let your fear, because of your fear, maybe you're not opening the door. The doors are there. All you need to do is open the door, but you're not opening because of your own fear. So don't let that happen. Let go of that fear. Divine is there with you. Surrender whenever you feel stress. Surrender, meditate, ground your energy. Yes, there are new beginning happening for you guys, new friendship, new person is entering your life. But for some of you, you are not ready to get into a relationship because you are afraid, because my past relationship, it didn't work out, so how can I get into a new one? So don't stop yourself. Don't let your fear stop yourself from doing the things that you want to do. Maybe you want a relationship, but at the same time you're so fearful. Let go of that fear, release that fear, and then step. Then move forward with your life. Okay, so that's all I received for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. My lovelies, if you've chosen this amethyst crystal, let's see what is your message for this Lionsgate portal. So the card you have drawn is Polar Bear Mystic. Know that challenges make you stronger. Have faith when you face adversity. Take time to rest, dream, and renew your strength. Embrace your psychic abilities. You carry the shaman within. Okay, for some of you, I feel like your gifts are advancing. Okay, you're going to be very, very intuitive. You're going to receive a lot of messages from spirit. So trust your intuition. Okay, trust it, because when you trust, you will make better decisions. And I feel like a lot of success, a lot of blessings is what is happening for you guys. You're powerful manifestors. Trust trust yourself, okay? Trust yourself, trust your capabilities, trust your psychic abilities. So if you are tarot card readers, or if you're do Reiki or whatever, if you're in the spiritual thing, trust it. You will manifest all your dreams and desires, okay? So yeah. And if you want to read tarot, if you want to learn astrology or something like that, go for it. You'll be very good at it, okay? And yeah, you're very wise people, okay? Understand that you're very wise people. Your wisdom needs to be here. You know, people need like, I feel like your wisdom needs to be heard, okay? So you give good guidance to people. So trust yourself. Sometimes we don't trust ourselves, so don't let that happen. Have faith in yourself, okay? Spirit is with you. You're connected to the universe, and for some of you, I feel like you want a big home. It's a very specific message. A big home that is manifesting for you guys. Spirit is like, yes, it will happen. Have faith. And you're very powerful people. You can protect yourself. You can protect others. You're the leader, okay? Trust your capabilities, and your good things are going to come your way. For group number 3, that is what I clearly feel. Very, very good things, blessings. Spirit is going to bless you with a lot of things, okay? And the reason is you have done a lot of shadow work. You have let go of your past. You have been working. You have been healing yourself. Yeah, you have been doing the work, guys. And because of it, you are going to manifest a lot of good stuff, okay? That is what I strongly feel for you guys. You're leveling up. You're leveling your game, okay? For some of you, promotion, receiving high position, that is also something I feel for you guys. Expansion, growth, okay? And I feel like you whenever you encounter a challenge, you don't step back. You're like, no, this is a challenge and there will be a solution, and I will make it. I will move forward with this. You know, you are like that kind of people, and Spirit has seen your commitment. I feel like Spirit has seen your commitment, and you're going to you will be rewarded for all your hard work, okay? And look at the feathers, you know, angels, your guardian angels are around you. They are protecting you. You are protected. You are safe. You are secure. Everything you need is secure, okay? That's what I feel. And we have the Chariot. Yes, you have done the inner work. You have done the shadow work. You have healed. You're healing. Like, healing is a process, right? So yeah, you're moving forward with your goals, your desires. Keep on moving forward, because the recognition that you deserve is coming your way. So yeah, maybe for some of you have been putting that much work, but you are not being recognized for your work, right? Finally, you are going to receive that recognition from other people, the support from other people. Maybe for some of you, you will receive an award. Okay, something like that also, I feel like. Awards. Yeah, you have been doing the work, finally getting that award that you deserve, okay? Finally getting that people are like appreciating you for the work that you're putting into. Yeah. And for some of you, travel is happening for you guys. You're moving forward, traveling, growth, lot of growth, lot of blessings. Oh, for some of you, manifesting a soulmate relationship, maybe a friend, good friendship. Finally, maybe you don't have that much friends. Maybe you don't have a person who you connect with, a soul connection. That is what is happening for you guys. You're meeting a person who will connect with you on a soul basis, like good friendships. Very, very good friendship. This friend will help you in they will be for you guys. That is what I feel. That is what are you manifesting in your life. Good relationship, positive relationship. The people who support you, they are with you during your tough times, during your good times, right? That kind of relationships. you're going to make decisions. I feel like with the 6 and 7 you're leveling up your game, and you're making good decisions, making better choices. For some of you, you're having a good diet, exercising, taking care of your health. I feel like you're making better choices. Okay, and for some of you, you're here to live a good life, a luxurious life. Okay, you're getting into that. For some of you need a big house. Yes, you will be able to manifest that also. Okay, a bigger house. Yeah, 3 of Earth. Yeah, recognition with this working working with a team. For some of you, getting recognized for your work, getting out of this dramas. Yeah, you're not into this drama stuff. No relationship drama, no gossiping. You're out of that. You're not there. You're not going to do that anymore. You're not going to attract that kind of people anymore. You're going to attract good people, positive people, the people who will support you. And that is your blessing, I feel like. Good people, good support, people understanding you for who you are. Okay. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles. A lot of financial growth also. Look at that dolphin. Lot of joy, lot of optimistic people surrounding you. They are appreciating you for your work. Finally getting the recognition, finally getting the money that you deserve, right? So maybe for some of you, you will receive money from other people, like they will give you money for your work, and you will be like, oh my God, you'll be so grateful for all the things. You'll be very grateful for everything. I feel like there is so much to be grateful for, you guys. Yeah, for some of you, again, we have this traveling thing coming out. So maybe for some of you, you might receive like a vacation. Maybe for some of you, you will be offered like you can go there and enjoy a vacation. Maybe some of you will receive that, and you'll be able to go with your friend or with your person. That is quite possible. But your travel will be very smooth. Okay, your road is clear. Okay, there is no traffic anymore. That is what I feel. Look, the Empress. Wow, enjoying your life, having the luxury to buy the things you want, reaping your rewards. Yeah, you have been planting the seeds, and finally it's the time of harvest. Okay, for you guys. If you're married, you will have a very blessed married life. If you're single, you will have a blessed single life. Your workplace will be full of good people. Look at the yellow color, right? The optimistic people will surround you. Your energy is going to be very, very positive. That is what I feel like. You'll be enjoying your alone time. I feel like, when you want to be alone, you will be alone. When you want to be with people, you'll be with people. That kind of energy. You're becoming more kind. You're becoming more compassionate. You're changing yourself. And because of it, you're attracting a lot of goodness into your life. Okay, you're good mothers. Don't doubt yourself. You're doing good. For some of you, if you're planning to conceive, yes, that's quite possible for you guys. And if you're planning to get married, that is also happening for some of you. A very good relationship will happen. This person will there is a soul union. Or that is also something I feel like. Yeah, look, vacation. For some of you, I feel like that you might receive an offer of a vacation with your friend or with your soulmate, and you will be going, enjoying the time together, relaxing, having fun. Maybe you will go with your teammates and you will have a good time with them. Maybe your friends, maybe your partner, but definitely something about vacation, going to a place that you will feel very, very good. A place where there is nature, where there are a lot of butterflies, where there are a lot of birds, where the climate is very nice. So that's what I feel. Wow, we have dream and journey. And look, take note of intuitive messages, dream and journey. So your dreams are very, very important. So keep a dream journal, because you're receiving a lot of intuitive messages. I told you your psychic abilities are strengthening. You're receiving a lot of guidance from spirit. So take note of that. If you see certain symbols in your dreams, take note of that, because that might have a message for you guys. So whenever you feel something deeply, trust your emotions, because that is the message from spirit. You're very, 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 very intuitive. Okay, your guidance, you can trust it. you can trust your intuition. So don't let that fear come, okay? Let go of that fear, trust yourself, and you are leveling up. That's for sure, guys. You are leveling up. Your psychic abilities are advancing, you're leveling up your game, you're going to be on top of your game. Recognition, rewards, your work is going to be appreciated. Yeah, but you need to keep that balance, okay? Be grounded, take care of your health, eat healthy. Maybe you're going, you will go to a vacation and you might eat a lot of food, so have a balance there also. And yeah, I feel like you are changing your perception. You're not judging people very quickly. You're doing that, so you're doing great. I feel like that judgment. You're not judging people. You're understanding. You have a sense of understanding. You understand people at a, you understand their problems. You give good advice. So trust your own guidance. Okay, don't be hesitant. Sometimes we are hesitant to give guidance to other people. Don't be. Do it, because you have good guidance. Maybe you're very younger and you feel like that. No, I cannot give that guidance to, because this person is older than me. No, you can give it, because you have that. Your words are very you're wise people, right? Even though you're young, you're very wise. So trust it, but maintain a balance. Eat healthy, take care of yourself, do exercise. Yeah, that's very important for you guys. Eat veggies, drink water. Okay, but yeah, I feel like you're going to be very, very blessed. You will feel very good. You're going to you will feel very, very good, because you have gone through a major transformation. Now it's time to enjoy your blessings. It's time for success. It's time for victory. Okay, so that's it for my group number 3. Bye bye, take care.